Welcome to Chota Science. Today I am gonna discuss three very important and conceptual questions. Those are: firstly, why is the sky blue? Secondly, why does the sky appear red or orange or yellowish at sunset time? While the third one is very important. Why is the sky blue, not violet? Although violet color has quite smaller wavelength than that of blue. It has very simple reason and explanation, and that is the sky itself has no color. Let me repeat, the sky itself has no color. I am not making you confused, rather, this simple answer and statement can help you in learning all the phenomena. We all know that the sun has approximately all colors, but among those colors, these seven colors are very famous and important: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. For memorizing all these seven colors, I have the general term that is Vibgyor. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, and so on. We all know that these seven colors are quite different from one another, therefore they have quite different wavelengths. For example, violet has the smallest wavelength, while red has the largest wavelength. Violet, indigo, blue, and green, they have smaller wavelengths, while yellow, orange, and red, they have larger wavelengths. On the basis of wavelengths, I have the general formula that those colors which have smaller wavelengths scatter very well in the atmosphere, while those colors which have larger wavelengths don't scatter very well. Rather, they can go straight. I mean violet, indigo, and blue. They have smaller wavelengths, therefore, they can scatter very well in the atmosphere. Green color is somewhat smaller, therefore, it can also scatter. While red, yellow, and orange, they have larger wavelengths, therefore they don't scatter very well in the atmosphere, rather they can go straight and can travel a long distance. We all know that in the daytime the sun is approximately on our heads and very sharp. When the sunlight hits the air splits the sunlight colors. In the meanwhile, those colors which have smaller wavelengths scatter very well in the atmosphere, while those colors which have larger wavelengths don't scatter very well, rather they can go straight. I mean violet, indigo, and blue. They have quite smaller wavelengths and can scatter in the atmosphere very well. Therefore, they make the sky look blue because they can scatter very well. Now, here is question number two: why does the sky appear red or orange at sunset time? We all know that at sunset time the sun has traveled a long distance and very far away from our reach, and those colors which have smaller wavelengths scatter in the atmosphere and finish, while those colors which have larger wavelengths remain in the atmosphere and can reach us after a long distance because of large wavelengths. I mean, those colors which have larger wavelengths can reach us because they can travel a long distance and they don't scatter very well in the atmosphere. Therefore, they make the sky look red or orange or yellowish. I mean, red color has the largest wavelength and can travel a long distance, therefore, the sky looks red at sunset time. Violet, indigo, blue, and green. They have smaller wavelengths, cannot travel long distance, rather scatter and finish. Red, orange, and yellow. They have larger wavelengths, therefore, they don't scatter very well in the atmosphere. They can travel a long distance and make the sky look red. Now here is very important question. Why is the sky blue, not violet? There are three famous reasons. First one, the sun emits less violet color 50% than blue color. Secondly, human eyes are very less sensitive to violet color. And the third one is ozone layer absorbs most violet color. Therefore, the sun, the human eyes, and the ozone layer make the blue color the winner. Summary: sunlight has seven famous colors. Blue color is sensitive to our eyes, has smaller wavelength, scatters more and makes the sky look blue. While red color has larger wavelength, doesn't scatter much, can travel a long distance and makes the sky look red at sunset time. Please subscribe for such like videos.